Hi. Yeah, I heard you guys offer a service. I am looking for someone to fake a kidnapping. Yeah, it's with a long-term friend of mine that I really like her, and I don't know. I don't know if she likes me back, but I think she might. So I just want to play this little joke on her and see how it all goes. Okay, yeah, do you have a guy that you can send out? Awesome. Okay, thanks. Yes, I can't believe this is actually happening. Hi, Emmy. It's Zoe. Just wondering if you're free to come over for a little bit and just have a talk. Okay, yeah. Awesome, I'll see you then. Okay, bye. How have you been?
Good. How have you been?
I've been doing well. Anything new?
No, not really. Anything new with you?
No. Any boyfriends?
No.
No?
I don't want one of those.
Really?
No.
Huh. Interesting.
How about you?
Nope. Not me neither.
No?
Single. Yep.
It's fun.
Your hair looks great. Did you just get it done?
Yeah, I did.
Really?
Do you like it?
Yeah, it looks really good.
Oh, I wasn't sure if I liked it. Thank you.
Yeah, no, you look great.
Oh, thanks. What
Yeah,
are
you're welcome. How's school been?
Really good.
Good. You're done soon, right?
Yeah, almost. Almost there. How about for you?
Yeah, just working full time at the spa still.
Awesome. Good for
Yeah.
you. Nice. Who are you?
Who are you?
What are you doing? You
You
want
want
us to take off our shoes and socks? Why? All right, fine. Just don't hurt us.
You want me to get something to restrain us?
Please don't make us do this. Please just leave us alone.
Just put your hands behind your back.
No.
I'm sorry.
Please just leave us alone. Don't make her do this. Please just let us go.
Get on our knees.
You want us to make out? Why? Why would you want us to
Who
do
cares?
that?
Who cares? Let's just kiss.
No.
Just do it.
you so happy about making out with me?
I'm just trying to do what the kidnapper says. I'm afraid he'll hurt us. You want me to kiss her feet?
No.
Just do it.
No.
Just do it.
Why?
He'll hurt us.
No, stop. I don't like this. Stop. No. Please stop. No, stop. No, stop, please. Oh, I don't like this. Please stop. Stop, I hate this. Please stop doing it. Don't make her keep doing it. Just stop, please. Just stop, please. I don't like this. Just leave us alone. Please, no more.
Are you enjoying yourself?
No, this is unfair. I have a massive foot fetish for girls' feet.
Well, I'm happy to tell you this is all a ruse.
Are you serious? This was a fucking joke? You had some guy come in here to scare me and it's a joke?
I'm sorry.
Get away from me! How would you do this to me? You think this is funny? It's not funny!
I'm sorry. I'm in love with you.
Well, I'm in love with you too.
You can go.
Wait, before you leave, I have a fantasy of being stripped down to my underwear and being chair-tied facing my lover. Will you do it with me?
Yeah, sure.
Really?
You'll do it?
Awesome. Thank you.
All right.
I love you so much, and I'm going to take advantage of you. Mm-mm.
Kiss me.
No.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Give me a kiss.
How's that?
Another one. Kiss me.
Mm-mm.
Kiss me. Come on.
No.
Let me.
No.
Yes.
Mm-mm.
Kiss me.
No. Hey. Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Come on.
Oh. Hey.
That one.
Hey. I love you.
I love you too.